Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a UPI payment method in the Odoo website. So to add it, the most common and the most easiest way to do that is by using the Razorpay integration in Odoo. So the steps to add UPI via Razorpay in Odoo website is first you have to install the Razorpay payment module. So if you're using Odoo 14 plus, you just have to go to apps and then search for Razorpay or payment underscore Razorpay. So if you see that it's available, then you have to install it. But if it's not, you can download it from the Odoo application store. So just search for Razorpay and then install it. Or in the GitHub Razorpay module community. And you have to make sure that you go to the trusted source. So if you download it, place the module folder inside your Odoo add-ons directory and update the app lists. So for step number 2 is to get Razorpay API credentials. So you have to create a Razorpay account. So just go to the dashboard of razorpay.com, and from there, tap on the settings and go to API keys. From there, you can generate key ID and key secret. Step 3 is to configure Razorpay in Odoo. So go to the website, go to the configuration, and then tap on payment acquirers. Then open the Razorpay. Set it to enabled, then enter your key ID, your key secret, and just choose the environment, which is the test or production. Also the payment journal, like for example, the bank or the Razorpay. Once you're done, just tap on save. And for step number 4 is to test UPI on the website checkout. So from there, you can add a product to your cart, then proceed to checkout. Then from there, you have to select the Razorpay as the payment method. So the Razorpay's pop-up will show all available options, including the UPI. So you will see the UPI ID, the QR code, or applications like GPay or the Phone P. And then you can try a test UPI payment using the Razorpay because it provides test credentials. Then lastly is you can go live. So once everything works, switch from test to production mode in the Razorpay configuration. Then use live API keys. So you will now have a fully working UPI payment option on your Odoo website using the Razorpay, all via simple pop-up interface without coding. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!